Good question. Hi. Look who's in Jamaica.
Taking a picture outside. Where are we taking it?
You want us to see anything?
No, not yet. Okay. Ready again? 3, 2, 1.
We are doing with your dress See you already.
TikTok. Guys, I'm not a TikToker. Follow me on TikTok So the event ended and we are all chilling outside. Chatting, we've been chatting for a while. Why am I sitting on the people them chair and I'm outside of you? So rude. But yeah, I'm gonna head to Fontana in a little bit to collect the package and then head home. I have no plans. Oh, we kind of say hello. What happened? Oh, hey guys. Thank you. Wait until you see my YouTube video. This lighting is better. So the event ended. We were just chilling outside. It was a cute little event. I was very impressed, you guys know. But it was so cute. Ashley, what? Oh, boy. I'm trying to get back on it. I feel like my feet look really bad now. To me. Have you scrolled down on my page when I was in my bag? What are you talking about? When I was in my bag. Yeah. I'm trying to pick up the pace. I'm trying to post like at least 4 to 5 times a week on Instagram and get my feedback to get on. But yeah, because Yeah, the quality.
I'm using it just for recovery. So.
But you still want quality, nothing wrong.
Right.
We like quality over air.
No, airdrop.
Or airdrop, yeah. And him go on him, these pictures are nice too. None him go on like him.
Oh, this was good. You know, I saw this picture, but I didn't.
I love that picture. That's actually my favorite across Chris picture. The bye gone. Hey, so I'm at Fontana right now. They already have my box ready, but I'm just kind of like walking around and looking like at stuff. Cause I haven't been here in a minute, and then they have Christmas decorations up, and I'm not really sure if I want to like buy Christmas decor this year, to be honest. But I don't know. I'm trying to get into the Christmas spirit. It's very Christmassy in here, so I don't know. Plus, we also need like a new tree for the house. So, yeah. I know trees are like super expensive, so I don't even know like if we're gonna get one or not. I just had a shower after finish editing my vlog. I don't know why the HD version is like taking so long to process, because I kind of want to put this vlog to public. I'm about to do my skincare. I've been using this toner. This is one of the toners that I got from the Neutrogena and Avena team. They sent me so many products. Like, they sent me so many stuff, but I haven't like used every single product. I've just used like ones that I think I would like, and but I've used most of the stuff. But in terms of like the content I posted on Instagram, like for the brand, those are the products that I like the most, and the products that I actually use like every day or every other day. So I genuinely like use those stuff, you know what I mean? Like those things are like currently in my routine, which is why I posted them on Instagram in my real content and stuff. But they sent me so many products, so many. But yeah, I'm just doing my skincare. I basically have the same skincare routine right now. In a sense, I might rotate products, but it's pretty much though the same. I use this Neutrogena toner. I need to get back my BHA toner that I was using before from Shop Missy. I really miss that toner. But this is like the only like full brand new bottle of toner I have, so I've been using this one. It's okay, like I don't mind it. I just wish it was more like a spray toner. I prefer spray toners than like pouring or like pumping, you know. So I was even thinking about like putting a spray pump on top of this, or pouring some of this into like a spray bottle. But yeah, so I've used I use some hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and this product called alpha arbutin. This is really good, I think, for dark spots. I think it is. I think it's good for discoloration, like evening out the skin tone, if I remember correctly. Because I threw away the box with all the information on it, but I'm pretty sure that's the benefit of it. I bought these when I was in Canada. But yeah, this is everything that I used on my skin just now, plus the toner, and that is my skincare routine for this afternoon.